Hello, sir. We are Team Hopes, hackers of beats, and we have built music streaming app. And the name of our website is WOLFY. This is the WOLFY, the music streaming app. This is the home page, and as you can see, that this is the search bar from which we can search particular song. And this is the all song panel. And by clicking this view all, we can see all the songs present in all songs album. And as you can see that by just clicking this home button we can navigate to the home page. This is the Hindi songs album, and by clicking this view all we can see all the songs present in Hindi songs album, and as similar for the English songs album. And this is the sign in and sign up functionalities, and for these functionalities I will hand over to the Siddharth Rangan. Please Siddharth.
Hello. Can you please go to the authentication part and the forms code? Okay. So here we have defined we are importing the forms from the Django itself and an authentication part from the auth library, that is OAuth library, and have implemented two ways. That is a traditional login password method and the sign in with Google method. That is imported from the OAuth library. And going through the code, we have the class user login form, which in which we are taking username and the password, and in the that is the function. We have checking the validations. That is if the username is correct, and for the password, we have minimum and maximum length, including the characters like small and big letters. And apart from that, we have the save option that is used to save the details into the database. If the user already exists, it displays a message that the user already exists, please, or the email already exists, like that. And for the registration form, we have the name, username, email ID, and password 1 and password 2. Password and password 2 are used to check if the password is correct and if the user has typed the correct password or not. Yuvraj, can you go over the other file that is the views.py?
Yes.
Here we have implemented the login request, sign up request, and for the login request, we have initialized the user login form and it renders the login form on the page. Upon the submission of the user data, it validates the form. We have used the authenticate function and the login function. After successful login, it redirects to the user to the index page in the user logged in way. And if the form is not validated, again redirects to the login page with the errors displayed. And for the sign up request, it handles the user sign up request. On the GET request, it renders the empty registration form to allow the user to sign up. And on the POST request, it validates the form data. If the form is valid, it proceeds further, or it else redirects to the login page. And apart from that, we have also used the logout request, which logouts the logged in user, and it redirects to the login page. And apart from that, can you hand over to the URL patterns, that is URLs.py, right?
Yes.
So
It
here
is.
we are yeah, okay. Here we have defined the three parts, that is login, sign up, and logout. And my partner Yuvraj will now demonstrate the demo of the music app.
Yes. So for the demonstration, we will just go with the sign up first. And for the sign up, let's consider our username as Yuvraj11, and then let's enter the password first. So this is the password 2 and this is the password 1, and this password 2 is for confirmation of the password. So if the both password are the same, then only then we can sign up. Otherwise, the error will be shown. And after the successful sign up, we will navigate to the login page. And the login page, entering the right details, we can actually logged in our music app. So yeah, as you can see, we have logged in as our username displayed here. And now whatever functionality we are performing, it will be all done for this particular username. And for this particular username, all the data and all the functionalities which will be performing will be stored in our database. And so let's discuss all the functionalities of our music app. So before the functionality, let's discuss what type of database we are considering. So this is the music app. So it's necessary to have songs for the music app. So the first database is for songs, and for songs we have attributes like language choice, and yeah, we can also modify this language choice list like Hindi, English, then Gujarati, Tamil, Punjabi, and many more. And then this name attribute is for the name of the song or the title of the song. And this album is for from which movie the song is from, or from which album the song is from. And this is the language of the song. And this is the displayed image or displayed banner image of the song. And this year attribute is for in which year the song is published. And this singer attribute is for who are the singers of that particular song. And yeah, this is very astonishing attribute song file. So this due to this song file, we can actually download the song while the song is playing, or the song which we are going to play. Then this is the playlist data, and in this playlist data we can consider that if some user, this particular user attribute, want to add some particular song, this particular song into this particular playlist, then we can add those songs into playlist, and we can also create new playlist. And this is favorite database. So by clicking the like button, we can actually add the particular songs in the favorite database for particular users. So this is the recent. So recent is showing that which song was played at the recent moment. So after let's say we have logged out from our music app and logged in again, then in the footer part we will be showing that what was the recent song which was playing before. So this is the recent model, and let's go to the views.py for all the functionalities. So this is the index page for the the first get request. Then after all the functionalities will be going on, and this by this index page, this is the all songs, means this particular section all songs. This is for displaying Hindi songs, this particular panel. And this is for English songs, for this particular English songs album panel. And yeah, this is all functionalities for Hindi songs like uh, displaying or considering all the song IDs, then creating their objects. So when we will play the song, that particular song will be stacked over the our last played stack. And when we will be logging out and logging again, then the top of the stack will be showing in the footer part, which is for the recent songs, and as similar for the English songs. This is the functionality for playing that particular song. So by clicking that particular song, we will get the song ID from here, from this song play song object. Then passing this object in this play song functionality, and through the backend JavaScript, we can actually play the song from the backend. And yeah, this is for the showing the play recent song. So as you can see, this last playlist is the stack, and we are considering the last. This is the we are ordering the recent songs as, as the reverse order, and just by taking the top of the stack, we can actually display that what song was playing recently. And this is the details. This is actually the I button. Let me show you. So let's consider this song, and just clicking this I button, we can actually get the details of this particular song. So this details is this functionality. So by clicking that I button, we will get the song ID, and just by getting song ID, we can fetch all the details of that particular song. And after getting that particular details, we can actually add this song into playlist. And as you can see that there is no playlist yet, so let's first create one. So let's take playlist one, create playlist. Then now we will add this song into new playlist. And if we go here, and so as you can see that our song has been inserted into our newly created playlist. And this so here the playing song will be displayed, and as you can see that by clicking this three dot button we can actually download this song. This particular functionality is happening because we have defined the song file attribute in the song database. So from there we can actually download the song. So yeah, that's it for all the functionalities. And let's consider the settings.py. We cannot leave it because it is the most important part of our project. So for the all the UI UX and the styling, we consider this crispy bootstrap 4 and crispy forms, and we also added all the installed apps here, like for the authentications and all our custom apps. And I want to tell you that in middleware also, we have to consider this particular middleware from the external sources. Due to we are considering Google sign up and Google sign in. For that, this allows account middleware is necessary, and it is not part of the settings.py at initial stage. So we have to put it here by manually. And for the all the media files, we have to initialize and declare this media root and media URL from which we will get all the media files, and as similar for this static URL. So from this static URL we will get all the CSS and styling stuff, and we are using the crispy template as the bootstrap 4. So all you see is fancy styling and fancy pop-up functions are all part of the bootstrap 4. Yeah, that's all. And for the front end part, I will handing over to the Vishal. Please, Vishal.
Hello, sir. So, front end in the application is done by me. And can you please open the login.html, Yuvraj?
Yes.
So, here, can you just scroll down? This upper part is CSS and bootstraps, and tokens are used here. So, you can see the tokens that for the username and sign up and all sign in username and password tokens are used here. And yeah, can you please go in music app front end?
Yes.
Mm. Yeah, so here also for front end, just input type is made for the search bar, and the all songs front end, and the token is used as all like underscore languages, which means all the songs in different languages will be placed. And same here, like mm, yeah, for Hindi and English also the same thing has been done. And to customize based on the singers, all underscore singers are done means if suppose a singer has sang two or three songs, then that songs will be displayed according to the singer we have selected, and the input button is submit to search the different songs and all. Yeah, so all these HTML files is done by me. And can you please show the output? Yeah, yeah. So I just you can see the song that we searched Barish here in the UI in this, and the this is footer section down here to display the playing song that is being played or recently played. And all these are card layout and all. Yeah, okay, Yuvraj. Sir, I would handle to Yuvraj for concluding the project. Yuvraj.
Yes. Yes, sir. So at the conclusion, so we have all we have also used this pop-up notifications for the all the errors and all the success URLs. So this is the success, and it is showing this pop-up notification or pop-up message that our song is added to the favorites. And as you can see in these favorite songs, our Bari song is inserted into the favorite songs list. And we can also remove this by clicking this remove. Yeah. And by just signing out, we can sign out from this app and again sign in with any different account if we have. So yeah, that's all. And
Yuvraj, before
yes,
conclusion, can you please show the database?
yes, sir.
So this is a database and
So this
database
is our
tables.
data set. Yeah. So this is all the authentication groups and all, and this is playlist, music playlist. The playlist we have created earlier or afterwards. Then this is the favorites. That this is all the IDs for the songs that which songs are or were inserted into the favorites list. This is the recent songs, and this is data set for song, like data model for song, and this is its architecture or schema. So these are all email addresses for the Google verification and Google sign up, Google sign in. Yeah, that's all. And these are all username were used for login and sign up purpose. So yeah, that's all. And now we would like to conclude our project by the very big thanks. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And now we are
Thank
concluding
you, sir.
our project.